Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of t if we have 1 over 1 minus t is equals to 1 over t minus 1, and we solve this problem for the values of t. So here you remember one condition is that t is not equals to 1. So according to remembering of this condition, in t we find the values of t, or we find the solution that satisfies this equation. So we solved this problem for two methods, and I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now in this method, uh, here we just need to cross multiply the terms. So when we cross multiply the terms, it means that we multiply t minus 1 with this one, and it will be written as, after multiplication of this t, cross multiplication, we will get here t minus 1 is multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 is multiplied by 1 minus t. And now further in the next step, when we multiply 1 with this factor, so this will be written as t minus 1 is equals to, and here we have 1 times of this number is equals to 1 minus t. So you see here, we have, this is the our given equation will becomes here in this form. And now we move our variable terms to the left hand side, and we move the constant terms to the right hand side. So you see here, this is minus t. When we move it into the left hand side, it will become plus t, and when we move this minus 1 to the right hand side, it will becomes plus 1. And you see here, t plus t is equals to 2 times of t, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So you see here, we solve this problem for the values of t. For this we need to remove this 2 from left hand side. For this we will divide both of the sides by 2. Okay, so here we write that we divide both of the sides by 2. Okay, so you see here, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we will get here our t is equals to, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get here our 1. So this shows that the value of t is equals to 1. But we remember the given condition is that t is not equals to 1. So here we cannot choose t is 1. So you see here, we cannot have any other value of t other than 1. So this means that our given equation has no solution. Okay, because we cannot find any value of t. And the reason of not choosing the value of 1 is that when we put t equals to 1 into the given equation, you see here, our given equation will becomes undefined form, or our given equation has no solution. So it will becomes indeterminate form. Okay, when you choose t1, so this will become 0, and 1 over 0 is equals to infinity, and infinity is equals to infinity, so we cannot solve further for this. Okay, so that's why we cannot choose t is 1. So this is the final answer of this problem in first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. And in second method, we first need to copy down given question statement. Here it is, 1 over 1 minus t is equals to 1 over t minus 1. This is our given question statement, and again we have the condition on t is that t is not equals to 1. So here in second method, we solve this problem with LCM technique. Okay, so in order to take the LCM, first we need to make the denominator on both of these fractions are same. So you see here, the denominator of this term is 1 minus t, and the denominator of this term is t minus 1. So in order to make these two are same, here we need to take common LCM from the denominator term, and after taking common LCM, we will get here minus times. When you take common minus from here, we then minus t will becomes here plus t, and plus 1 becomes here minus 1, and it is equals to 1 divided by t minus 1. And now you see here, this is the negative term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes positive, so it will be written as 1 over t minus 1, and this will becomes plus 1 over t minus 1 is equals to 0. So here we easily take the LCM of this equation. So its LCM is t minus 1, and when we divide these terms we will get here 1 plus, when we divide these two terms, these are cancelled out by each other and we again get 1 is equals to 0. And here we move this t minus 1 to the right hand side, and here we get 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and this is divided by, here when we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by t minus 1. So 0 is multiplied by t minus 1, and we know that when we multiply 0 with any number, so it will become 0. So you get here our 2 is equals to 0, because 0 times of this number is equals to 0, and 2 equals to 0 is not possible case. It is not possible 2 is equals to 0. This means that we cannot find any value of t into the second case. So this means that also from second method we cannot have no solution of this problem, or we cannot find any value of t. So this means that in second method also given equation has no solution. So I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.